Hey everyone! It's Michael here again, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the date and time on your Windows computer. Let's get started. First, let's open the date and time settings. Click on the Start menu, then select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Time and Language. In the Time and Language settings, you'll see the current date and time. To change it, first, make sure Set Time Automatically is turned off. Next, click on the Change button under Set the Date and Time Manually. A new window will pop up where you can manually set the date and time. Adjust the date and time to your desired settings, and then click Change. If you need to change the time zone, you can do that here as well. Click on the Time Zone drop-down menu and select your correct time zone. You can also turn on the option to adjust for daylight saving time automatically if needed. For accurate timekeeping, you can sync your computer's clock with an internet time server. Scroll down and click on Sync Now under Synchronize Your Clock. This will ensure your computer's clock is always accurate. And that's it! You've successfully changed the date and time on your Windows computer. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or video suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.